I don't remember the last time I lost sleep over a hater. I worked too hard for everything I got for me to be out here worried about what a hater's talking about in my comments. I'ma laugh at you. You're not gonna make me feel bad about being this blessed. Hater who? Where are they? Haters is like water rolling off a duck's back. Look at it fall. And I'm going to sit here with this Jesus juice all over me, and that water going to drip right off. Never going to make me feel bad about this. I've earned this.